Wa gyud mi nagmahay nga diri mi nag-celebrate sa among Mansari ni Rosie kay full of surprises gyud ni nga dinner. Mauna sad gyud ni ang pinaka-aesthetic nga restaurant nga among nakan-an diri sa Mactan. Naglibo gyud ko kung art gallery ba ni, bar or restaurant ra gyud. Trust me, lami gyud ilang mga pagkaon diri. They serve a mixture of international fusion cuisine. Dagko ug sulit gyud ang servings and the price, I would say you get what you paid for gyud. This is B1 Restaurant located ni sa Bonifacio Place, Maribago, Lapu-Lapu City. Super spacious, large parking, and a lot of dining options. You can choose al fresco dining. Inside can also be perfect for intimate dates and they offer live music sadha. The stairs going to the second floor is so aesthetic. Naay mga nindot kayo nga porcelain unya a lot of paintings gyud. I-add pa nato ang spiral nga chandelier diri sa taas. They can accommodate groups gyud o ganahan kag intimate naa sa sila nindot kayo nga private rooms. Their seafood bilao exceeded my expectation. Lami gyud siya. Naa gyud sila own nga templada ani and perfect kayo for sharing. If you love steaks like me, must try ni ilang La Galve. It's a short rib steak nga Korean style ang marination niya. Full of flavors and na-enjoy gyud ko ani. And if you love starters, highly recommended ang papaya and mango salad nila. Perfect combination ang ilang concoction. We also tried their braised pork belly. Very soft, very flavorful, worth ordering yun ni. Usa sa pinakaganahan ako nga creation nila is the shrimp coconut sinigang soup. Visually, mura siya kare-kare because of its color. But when you taste it, perfectly blended yun ang coconut soup o kimchi. And if you want to be entertained, you can order their shooters and cocktails like the Flaming Lambo na magkayo-kayo gid mo sa kalingaw ani. Kunya, if you want to get 5% off sa total bill ninyo, share lang ni nga video and ipakita lang sa cashier. I will really suggest to try this restaurant. All in one ug masatisfy gyud mo diri, whether it's a date or any gathering. For me, it's affordable for this kind of service nga ilang gina-offer. Maong i-try gyud ni ninyo diri.